I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with a wide variety of Lincoln hoods. So they're 3350 4C lens technology. Right now there's a mail-in rebate from Lincoln Electric, the manufacturer, $50 mail-in rebate, which brings the black edition down to about $187, and all the graphic renditions about $215. So first one we got here is called the Foos Imposter. Pretty sweet. It's got the Impala on the side. Pretty awesome. Second hood we have is the Jesse Cone. I think it's called Jesse the Robot. Pretty cool hood. Got some kind of comic graphics on there. We got Code Red, which is the just straight up Lincoln Electric symbol on the front. We got the Whitetail Camo hood, so it's like a full camo hood. Pretty cool graphic. We got the Polar Arc for all our friends to the north in Canada. Got the Canadian maple leaf Canada on the front. Then we got the Steampunk hood. Pretty sweet hood. All right, we're gonna go to the back here. On the back row, we got the Foos Terracuda. Pretty cool. We got the All-American, so it's like a stars and stripes. Pretty awesome hood. We got the Mojo style. And then my all-time favorite, and the one I recommend, black, just jet black. It's a great hood, awesome. This one here is called the Hot Rodders edition. Pretty sweet. This one is called Zombie. For all you Walking Dead fans out there, look at that. Pretty sweet. Then we got the Born to Weld edition. Pretty awesome hood too. So right now Baker's is offering a $45 Baker bundle package. It's an $80 value. In that package you get a pair of the roll cage gloves, sweatbands, replacement sweatbands for your hood, inner lenses, outer lenses, and a pack of 2 batteries. The hood takes 1 battery, you get 2, so this is going to last you a long time. So get on to bakersgas.com, check out the Baker's bundle, check out all the graphics that we have. Remember, there's a mail-in rebate, $50. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.